Hi, welcome to Deck 8, Junior Suite, room 632.
Yay! Third time trying it.
So we're going to do a quick room tour, but already a perk for a junior suite we noticed immediately is when we checked in to board. We missed a huge line. It was very easy to just get your C-Pass and go.
They had a separate suite check-in line.
They even had a separate suite area, but they're already boarding everybody before we even got here. So main perk we did, the closet, when we have 3 kids. We have a pack and play. Pack and play is already in here. We have 3 kids ages 13, 3, and 1. So we really want extra space, especially with suitcases and diapers. Having a little bit of a meltdown right now. The other reason why we wanted it is because of the tub. Our kids do not like showers, and so we wanted a tub. That way it was very easy. But also it's really spacious in here. I mean, very spacious. You also, with a junior suite, you get nicer shampoo and conditioners, a little bit of amenities, stuff like that.
Well, you get these amenities because the other rooms have a dispenser on the shower.
Which I heard eventually everybody but suites will be going to. So, all right. So first things first, we're gonna fast forward to the balcony because that's always my favorite part. We can't go out there yet. I don't think you guys can. Here we go.
Push.
Like push. Okay. Don't forget to always step, you guys.
Step, Harrison. Step. Step. Good job.
Okay. Very carefully. It's a good balcony space. Very nice.
Oh, this is big.
Oh, it's right. Just we almost got on the.
They only got on the hump?
Almost got on the hump. Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. No, we are in the hump. It's right here. See, like, you can tell, so it goes straight and then it comes out. We're on the hump. Yeah. So, if you look on those balconies right there, they only stop right there. We have a little extra room right here.
Definitely room for 2 chairs, has a pull out. We're not getting those up because I don't want the kids to play with those. We already run all the rules. So just hearing back, yes, if you push this chair, of course, to the railing, and a toddler was to stand on it, it'd be dangerous. So that's why we're running these things always right over here.
All right, let's go inside. Come on.
Come on, guys.
Inside. And then it says right there to lock it, you gotta go up. Oh, that does not lock.
Oh my gosh.
Pull it down.
There we go. Pull it down. That locks it.
Okay, so we also, because we have 3 kids, Harrison will potentially be a pack and play, but he's almost out of it. So this is actually going to come down into the top bunk, which Avery did. As you can see, a junior suite, plenty of room for kids to run.
Which that was the #1 reason why we got the junior suite, because he would just started walking and we wanted the extra room for him to walk around it.
Alright, you have a bed that pulls out into another one, so but we have a king size. It looks like a king size. It's 2 twins pulled together, but still about king size. But lots and lots of room. So the only thing I don't see is like maybe a table that like at Disney I remember seeing, but we don't need it, and really it's more for people bunking their heads anyway. So lots of storage spaces.
No, you're getting chocolate on the bed.
You have a mini fridge in here. It is cold. I like that, so we can put like bottles of milk and stuff like that in there. Lots of drawer space. Hair dryer. I wanted to make sure we had one. Lots of hair dryers. You have your USB chargers.
Yeah, so
And plug-ins.
the USB chargers are there, and then you have that. You actually cannot put power strips on there. They won't. They actually take them from you if you try to bring them on.
We have coffee and tea because some rooms I think you don't have that. I was very much wanting that because in the morning I don't like to wake up and get it.
They also have if you buy the drink packages, they've got your cups ready for you, and then the internet package as well as here, and then our excursion tickets are already there for you too.
For people who care, you gotta save. I don't think we've ever used them. And then you have more storage space. So definitely with a junior suite, you have a lot of storage space. I think for a junior suite, you could easily fit 4 adults in here and be comfortable. We could even do maybe one more kid if they allowed it in here and still feel good about it. So that's our room tour.
So I wanted to show you. So we are a family of 5, and that fits all of our clothes. Suitcases down there. All the hanging up, and then my stuff is over here. So I got my jacket, some shoes, my backpack, and then these drawers. So family 5 fits in all right there.